Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be drawing a colorful scene of friends enjoying Rang Panchami. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome from the CSMC channel to all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4 or A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing or have a drawing pad for support. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, while celebrating the festival of Rang Panchami, why do we play with colors and what does that indicate? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Imagine yourself playing in the garden with your friends and having fun playing with colors and splashing water on your friends. So let's begin with our drawing. Let's start with drawing our first character, who is you holding a water gun in your hand splashing water on your friend. Use basic shapes in the first stage of the drawing. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Let's draw our next friend who you're splashing water on. Your friend has arms in front of you trying to block the water. Now draw the friend who is standing next to you with her hands in the air. Remember to keep the lines light so you can darken and add details later. Proportion is a very important factor, so take your time and check with our sketch. Next, add details to our character and draw the water puddle underneath. Also draw the bucket next to our character. Now let us draw in the background. We are in a garden, so draw accordingly. Congratulations for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a playful scene of you playing Holi with your friends. Coming back to the artistry trivia question, Rang Panchami signifies the arrival of spring and the vibrancy of nature. The colors represent the blossoming of nature and the end of winter's dullness. People throw colors to welcome the season of new beginnings and harvest. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.